In this video, I'll show you how to authenticate on GitHub. Authenticating on GitHub simply means proving that you are the owner of your account before you can access private repositories, push code, manage settings, or use GitHub from your computer. First, the most common way to authenticate is by signing in on the GitHub website. Open GitHub in your browser, click Sign In, then enter your username or email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, GitHub will also ask for a verification code from your authentication app, text message, or security key. Next, if you want to use GitHub from the command line, you need to authenticate Git on your computer. One easy option is to install GitHub CLI. After installing it, open your terminal and type auth login. GitHub CLI will guide you through the login process. You can choose github.com, select HTTPS or SSH, and sign in through your browser. Another common method is using a personal access token. GitHub no longer accepts normal account passwords for Git operations over HTTPS. Instead, you create a token in your GitHub settings, then use that token when Git asks for your password. To create one, go to your GitHub account settings, open Developer Settings, then choose Personal Access Tokens. Create a new token, select the permissions you need, and copy it. Keep it private because it works like a password. You can also authenticate using SSH keys. This is useful if you push code often. You generate an SSH key on your computer, add the public key to your GitHub account, then use SSH repository links when cloning or pushing. Once authentication is set up, GitHub will recognize your account, and you can securely work with repositories from your browser, terminal, or code editor. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.